everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus here, yet again in paradise. It is a beautiful Thursday afternoon in Benidorm, and as we head into the weekend, Benidorm only gets busier with the oncoming St Patrick's Day celebrations. I've seen by the sign behind me, if you can see that. And of course, the Cheltenham races. So, as you guess, Benidorm is pretty crazy. Join me as we take a walk down the British Strip, the place where the most action is going to be.
How it's supposed to feel.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
Down by Morgan's, and we have got the huge banner up already. 17th of March, happy St Patrick's Day. Morgan's will be doing entertainment from 2 PM all the way through to 2 AM in the morning. So pretty busy in there, and I mean, across the road as well, Flash Hotel. Don't have entertainment on all day. They'll be heaving. But anyway, we're going to brave heading down the strip, see how busy it is. So at the moment, Morgan's are down to 8 shows a night. Just do bear in mind they will sort of minimise the shows coming only down to about 7 or 6, but you still got good entertainment. Paddy So Balloon, and up there on the Ambassador saying you can get a shirt for St Paddy's Day from Western Saloon, Morgan's Tavern and Hotel California. That ain't too bad, that. Probably not for free though. Probably not for free, we'll just say that. Last stop order. And of course, the Waikiki. I think this weekend it is gonna be chaos. Oh shit, car coming. Didn't see that. Plus on top of all the Paddy's Day celebrations in Cheltenham, we've also got the Revelers coming up and the biggest car show in Benidorm, hopefully, it says. Hotel Order, and across the road, Hotel Ambassador Player One. See, not making the same mistake Matt Mike made. And Ambassador Player 2. 2 of the best hotels here in Benidorm. Times Square, and of course Black Chicken and the world famous Anna's down there. Yeah, I'll leave you guys to work out where Anna's is. John and Joseph's there as well, and Yeah, hearing mixed reviews on that place, guys. So, fingers crossed they can change everything and get back to the good quality they used to be. Oh, I'm tired already, and I'm only 3 minutes into the video. Living statue across the road there. Summit becoming more popular in Benidorm. And of course, the American themed Western Saloon for the weekend has become Irish. I don't know, it was saying something about a t-shirt. I couldn't really see it, to be honest. But I bet it's probably you got to spend so much and you get one, or maybe you got to not.
You'll buy 18 points to get appreciation.
Maybe 18 points of Guinness or something. Yeah, Mike, Crazy Marcus. Why not bother? So before I forget, guys, huge shout out goes to Jane and Ian McDonald. More fans in the bar. I think I need to change my hair again, guys. Might get recognised more. Of course, as I was saying, the Western Saloon. Going Irish for the next few days. And of course it is busy. Before I forget, Indian not to come to, the Cinnamon Lounge. Story goes, Matt, Mike and Sue went in a couple years back. They asked them to do a review because they're YouTubers and the food weren't the best. Oh, look at that for a Paddy's Day t-shirt. If only I had the money, guys. If only I had the money. How much? €11. The shops are ready for Paddy's Day. The bars are ready for Paddy's Day. And I'll give the same tip that I give for Fancy Dress Day. Go a cheap shop before, get yourself a few bottles of booze in, instead of trying to fight to get into some of the bars, because I will be heaving. The Crown just there on the corner, and Insomnia's. First time I've seen that open of a day, even though they're not really too busy. Maybe come tonight, hopefully. So yeah, Paddy's Day Sunday, I think it'll probably be the first Sunday I've seen Benidorm partying. I mean, don't really make sense, does it? Paddy's Day on a Sunday, when the Sunday's usually known for rest, relaxing, but not this Sunday. Rockefellers as well. And the good news is, comedy legend Tony Scott is finally back to work in Benidorm. Word of advice though, not for the faint of hearted. His words, not mine. He's not sexist, he's not racist. He just hates everyone, including me, Mike and Sue, and half the bar staff. But don't get me wrong, Tony is one of the kindest guys in Benidorm, and one of the main reasons I do what I do today. So, if you're out there watching Tony Scott Me Ultra, much love, thumbs up. Went lying there as well. And we're coming down onto the corner of Avenue de Filipinas. And I've only done 8 minutes. Crap. That way, or straight on. Straight on it is. Second half of Calle Girona. Now, as you do come down the second half of Calle Girona, it does often seem a tad bit quieter than the first half, but don't worry, there are still some pretty good bars down there. Shoe shop there as well if you do end up losing a shoe on a night out. Seems a Benidorm tradition that you lose a shoe on a night out. I don't even know how you could lose a shoe on a night out, but yeah, it seems to happen. But I guess it's better than losing yourself, I suppose, losing where you're staying. Watkins put there. This is what I love about Benidorm, guys. It is good to see it getting busier. People coming into Benidorm on the regular. Waves and Crown there as well. Queen's Arms as well coming up. One of the pubs we've only been in once, and it actually seems got a nice place. KFC as well. That's going to be busy over the next 2 days, guys. Anyway, there's the Queen's Arms. Back open for Paddy's Day and Cheltenham. Broadway Bar. Think I've got a long way to go. But, oh, Jesus. Okay, coming on. One of my favourites. The Railway Bar. Now I'm going to try and get this on camera, if it will. Can you see the graphic on the TV? The Railway Bar logo with the shamrocks. Yeah, shamrocks falling down behind it. Cheers for that, Mike. Glad someone knows what they're called. 4-leaf clover shamrocks. Oh, what are they called? Shamrocks, 4-leaf clovers. Anyway. Oh. I'm heading up this way. I've seen summit. Okay. But. So we come bringing some good news. The Bahamas is starting to get ready to reopen. Actually, I think they are just starting to reopen. However, beachcombers still looking sort of sad, derelict. Fingers crossed there will be a reopening for them. maybe summer, hopefully. But the good news is Bahamas. Now that looks fancy, guys. Wow. Jesus. Check that out, guys. The new and improved Bahamas. Opens tonight as well, so 13th of March, is it today? 14th? But opening soon. Looks fabulous, guys. I don't even know. Then of course Hippodrome, Champions, and Cafe beyond the corner. Gonna head back down now. Yes? No? Great picture of Conor McGregor there, world famous UFC fighter. Ooh. Think another two great bars to go for Paddy's Day this year will of course be the Dublin House and the Shamrocks, I think it's called. God's sake. Why is it always when you're doing a video your memory goes and you forget the name of stuff?
What?
Dublin House and... You sure? Okay guys. Dublin House and Shamrock. They are just sort of down there as well, opposite Hotel Marina. I've been Crazy Marcus. Hit that like, hit subscribe. Remember the buy me a coffee link is down below for support on getting me a brand new gimbal. Adios, mi bueno amigos.